in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Klaiyi Hair. Now, this is my first time ever working with Klaiyi Hair, so I'm pretty excited to, see if the unit is going to give what it's supposed to give. They sent over a Jerry Curl 13x4 20-inch Auburn Brown unit. And if you've been checking out my most recent videos, I've been really into the curly units, so I'm excited about this one. Although now that I think about it, I'm pretty sure I have this same unit in 24 inches from a different company though. Anywho, the cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total. One in the back, the other 2 are at the front, one on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can remove and or adjust if you choose to do so. Again, this is a 13x4 unit, meaning you're getting 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. But to me, it's low-key giving like compact 13x4 because on the sides, it's more so giving like 2 inches of parting space rather than the full 4. When it comes to the lace and density of these units, they do offer it in a 13x4 with 150% density, a 13x4 and 180% density, and that's the Kai special. They also offer it in a 4x4 pre-cut glueless lace form and a 6x4.75 pre-cut glueless lace form. So it's nice to see that they offer multiple options because then that should fit anybody's budget. I was sent the 13x4 180% density, which again is the Kai special. When it comes to the lengths offered for this unit, they do offer 14 all the way down to 26 inches. Again, I did receive the 20-inch, and although I am saying these things multiple times, keep in mind that I will have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. On the website, it's not showing any product specs or anything like that, but I will let you guys know that to me, it looks like the unit did come pre-plucked. Now, do I think I'll have to go in and pluck a little bit more? Absolutely. But if you are somebody who's not really big into plucking or anything like that, you should be able to get away with it just fine. I'll also let you guys know that the knots on this unit did come a little bit big in my opinion, so I did go in and bleach the knots. I used the same developer and bleach for almost every unit because I don't want to keep going out and buying extra bleach and developer. So I want to say I used BW2 and Ion 40 developer. I'm pretty sure that's correct. I left it on there for about 10 to 15 minutes and I say that the unit took it pretty well. I probably could have left the bleach mixture on there for probably about 5 more minutes, but hey, it got the job done. But I'm gonna stop jacking my jaws. I'm gonna install the unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't no husband, angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, and I'm just how you feel. You can be real with me, that's why you're still with me. Can't hide behind a canvas on the diamond. I don't even care if you lie to me, cause very much the kids about me these days. I say I do, just to say I do. No reason to go through your phone. This is deeper than you and the one. This is that issue. This is yes, but enough with the wrong time. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. You tell me you love me, well tell me again. The reassurance every now and then. Love ain't a game full of X's and O's, but I done been played before. I played it safe before. Gave it up to somebody who didn't deserve my body. You gon' have to lend a shoulder, help me kill this thing over. I believe love me, see these, and you gon' take responsibility. So my feeling, I'm feeling. Trade the years, how we put it. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on.
let's talk about this unit from Klaiyi. At this point, I'm pretty sure I've said it in my last at least 2 to 3 curly hair videos. Curly hair is the move for me personally for this spring and this summer. I mean, let's be real, with this reddish brownish auburn color plus this texture, like, come on, you cannot say no to this hair. I didn't mention this earlier, but I did shampoo and condition this unit and then I let it air dry overnight. I didn't add any extra products or anything like that, but as you saw, the curls were really defined. Although the curls were really defined, they were also a lot smaller than what they are now. By me sectioning the hair and then taking chunks of each section and then using my Nairobi foaming lotion on the hair and kind of in a sort of way, recurling the hair, like literally every piece of the hair. I don't know, I feel like it almost gave the hair a different look. Obviously, the hair is still curly, but the curls aren't as small or as tight. I also made the comment of saying that I might go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more. Just know I did not touch this hairline and it looks so good. I don't think I showed this in the video. Matter of fact, I know I didn't show this in the video because my camera did die around this time, but I did go in and cut a little bit of a sideburn out just to cover up the lace. The more wig installs I do, the more I learn what I like regarding my hair. And so seeing as how, you know, I'm always saying how my edges stick out a little far and how my sideburns are a little bit on the longer side, I'm starting to realize if I use some of the lace to cover my sideburns area and then just, you know, use some of the hair from the wig, the unit, to make like a little sideburn, I don't know, I feel like it just looks so good and so realistic. The hair is really fluffy and bouncy, but I will let you guys know that the hair is also very dry. Currently, I don't have any, but if I did, I would take a little bit of bio oil and put a little bit in the palm of my hand and then rub my hands throughout my hair. Well, not like crazy or anything, but you know, enough to soften up the hair. I say nothing crazy because let's be real, this is curly hair. So therefore, the more I touch it, the more I manipulate the hair, the bigger and frizzier it's gonna get, and that's not really what I'm wanting. I would say that this unit is big head friendly, but the lace on the unit did not come all the way down to where it covered my sideburns, and so that's another reason why I had to create a little bit of sideburns. So just keep that in mind. If you don't have super long sideburns or you have a smaller size head, you should be fine. Another thing I remember that I wanted to let you all know is that when I was washing the unit, it did bleed, but at this point I feel like that should be a given when it comes to colored hair. Always make sure to wash your units no matter what, but when it's colored hair, expect some type of bleeding. Try to at least shampoo it 2, maybe even 3 times, enough times to where you're not seeing the color run out of the unit anymore. When it comes to tangling and shedding, so far I'm not getting any tangles, which is always a good thing, but at the same time I do expect some to happen eventually because this is a curly haired unit. Now when it comes to shedding, I did get some hair coming out whenever I was washing the unit, but again, that's kind of expected seeing as how, number one, it's a wig. Wigs are going to shed no matter what. Be for real. But also because it's a curly unit. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all though. I've sat over here and I've tried to think of a negative regarding this unit and I can't think of any. For this to be my first Klaiyi unit, hey, I'm here for it. I would like to see this texture in a brown with the blonde highlights, or even maybe a ginger. Like the reddish orangish, like, come on now, a ginger in this. It might be a little bit out there, but I feel like that'd be so cute. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at tandotson. I'll be sure to have all the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.